Hey everyone, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping in for another special STEM project. Today, Oobleck. You never heard of Oobleck? Oh, I bet you have. AKA slime, AKA goo. So, that's another name for goo or slime, Oobleck. Now, in making Oobleck, you need 1.5 cups of cornstarch. So, cornstarch looks like flour, like cake flour. I'll put that up there. So, that's 1.5 cups. So, I measured it out. Have that there. And 1 cup of water, already measured out, and food coloring. So I used green for some Oobleck that I made already, and I'm going to use blue for the Oobleck I'm going to mix up now with you guys. So now, once again, I'm outside, so wherever you're at, please make sure that you have enough covering. This stuff is pretty messy. Or it can be. Okay? Maybe you guys are much neater than I am. Probably are. But as I was mixing, cornstarch flew here, there, and everywhere. So, just warning you guys, it's rated M for messy, just like mud. And like always, thank you for being so interested in science. But we're interested even more in your safety. So please ask for permission, or please ask for assistance from a parent, older sibling, caretaker, whoever can assist you and help you to get the best out of science and fun. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, Oobleck. Oobleck is a featured slime, alright, that was found, or actually, it's a name or word from a Dr. Seuss book. So, Bartholomew and Oobleck. Now, in that story, it fell from the sky. So, in our reality, it came from a container. Okay, so we got our cornstarch, so 1.5 cups of cornstarch. And what I'm using like tops and things like that, disposable things that I can mix items in. So I'm just gonna put this here, pat it in, and as you can see, I don't know if you saw that cornstarch cloud, but I'm gonna put this here so you can see. I'll move that out the way. Alright, and I'm going to take this spoon. I already used it, and I just recommend you just stir the water in slowly. Okay, so just stir it in, kind of like you're making, if you ever made a cake or pancake mix. The same thing you're gonna do here. Just stir that in, and you'll feel how it changes just when you stir. Okay, the thing about Oobleck, now, look at that, getting a little harder to stir. Oh yes, I forgot to. You can also add, I said, okay, food coloring, and you can also add glitter. Okay, so you can stir and stir. Now this is a plastic spoon, so if you have another type of spoon that you can use, you can do that as well. And you can get it to how you want it, okay? So I'm just going to stir this a little more. And then I'm going to add the blue food coloring right here. I'm going to put a little few dots in there. Shake it up, shake it in it. Make it a nice pretty color, right? And then I also have some glitter I'm going to add. So while we do that, I'm going to stir, stir, stir. And like I said, you will feel, as you stir, you will feel the difference. Okay? Now the thing about Oobleck, it is both a liquid and a solid. So, how can that be? Very good question. So, in this case, because cornstarch, how the water, or excuse me, how the cornstarch absorbs the water, you still have that grainy feel to it. And so, pretty much, when these two get together, the cornstarch, instead of becoming like, if you stir flour up, it becomes like a paste or a cake, you know, real smooth. This becomes both liquid and solid. And so you can also put a little bit more in if you like. I'm just going to put a little more in. If you want it a little thicker. And I'm going to stir it up. And then after that, I'm going to put my hands in and let's see if this works. Okay? So, that's a pretty blue, right? And as you can see, it's just coming right on out that top. Okay. Now I'm going to put in now our glitter. Got the glitter. Shake a little bit in. I'm going to put a little here too. Okay. And just stir that in there. And that'll give your Oobleck a nice glittery type look to it. That sets off that blue just right. Now I'm going to put the blue to the side. I'm going to bring over the green because you'll have to stir this for a little while. Okay? So I'm going to set that to the side. And we already stirred the green up. Oh my goodness. And already, I'll just stir it some more and before I put my hands in it. But that's the fun part right there. Putting your hands in it. Oh, see? Now, as you can see, this is the thing, right? It's solid. So, as I poke, put my hand on it, solid. But, then, look at it. So, it's gooey, it's runny. Look at that. But then, I'll take the spoon and poke it. And though it's kind of hard, it's like, oh, you're hitting the bottom of your holder. You'll feel how solid this is now. So, gooey goodness. And look at that. Solid goodness. Wow. So it's both. So Oobleck is both. You got your goo factor that we love so much. And you can run that through your fingers. Let me see if I can get a good chunk of it. Look at that. And it feels like, it feels like really watery glue. See that there? And I'll take the spoon again. And it's solid. Look at that. So gently. Oh, so it looks watery or jello-y and also solid. And of course, because we add the glitter, it's got that going on too. So If you love slime, if you love gooiness, Oobleck is the thing for you. So, thank you so much for stopping by another Steam STEM story time. And I still want to invite everybody. Summer reading is still in progress. So, if you want to sign up, feel free to visit our website or call the Children's Department of the Plainfield Public Library directly. We can give you more information as well. However, go on the website. You can sign up at www.plainfieldlibrary.info. Okay? So, wherever you're at, I hope you're enjoying your summer. I hope it's as gooey as Oobleck is. And always, even if it's not science, be adventurous wherever you're at, okay? So, stay safe, take care, and until we meet again, bye-bye. So long for now.